Look out. 3 kilogram pine cones can fall on your head. Täällä on näitä itikoita helvetisti. Äkkiä pois. Siis, what the fuck? Mitä ihmettä? Halusin vain mennä lähiluontoon, mutta...
Fucking panicking here! Order the Uber!
Fuck! Okay.
Kurvista fassa pasme. I've only seen this in Lapland before.
Itikkahyökkäys.
Hyökkäys.
Oli hyvin suuri.
Oli paha.
This was not a good idea. Mosquitoes. Yeah. I saw like a big cloud of them behind you when you were. Los mosquitos vinieron de Argentina. Joo. Es normal este? Yo soy de Finlandia. Y...
Ah, mi hippie.
Jugador de fútbol, sí es. Sí es. Ah, sí es.
Hace años, ahora ya,
¿Ah, sí?
ya sé.
Julia Pushka.
Ah, yo sé. Los años 50, 60. Madrid. Ah, Madrid.
Roberto Carlos, absolute legend. Okay, the extraction has been happened. I don't wanna do that ever again. But now we're gonna enjoy. Yes. Oh, good waves. Oh no. This is not very encouraging. Horrible. There's just dead fish everywhere.
Leave the hotel
Yeah.
and everything seems okay until the point where we get attacked by thousands of mosquitoes. I almost tipped over from a 3-meter high sidewalk, and then we arrived to the beach where we had to take the Uber in the end because we went to the property.
Yes.
And the beach is full of dead fish.
Yeah, this is good. This is good actually. Ah, yes. Ja vielä ihan täyteen paskaa jalat. Mitä helvettiä? Yeah, we got full of shit again also.
Like from these brown things.
This was the most disappointing thing like ever. What the fuck, man? Nyt tarvii kyllä kaljaa.
It failed me.
Oh,
It died.
what else is gonna happen to us? Nyt täällä haisee pahalle, hyi helvetti. Miten paska ranta oikeesti, mitä helvettiä. Siellä haisi mädäntynyt kalaa, hyi helvetti. Joo siis...
It smelled like shit.